All right, my friends, so this is how I like wearing mine. It's very simple, comfortable. You know, I can shake my head. They're not going anywhere. They're not falling out. I mean, just my hair goes everywhere. But yeah, I like them. And I'm going to actually go for a walk. I'm going to test them out. It's raining outside right now. So I'm not going to take my camera outside, but gonna go for a walk and I'll let you guys know how the quality and everything sounds. All right, guys, so we are back. I tested out a couple things. I tested out podcasts, and then I also tested out music, and also video game. So I played a video game with the quality, and it was great. No issues. I played a podcast. The audio is crisp and clear, especially for being such a small little device. And then I played different genres of songs. The bass is good. I wouldn't say it's the best bass I've ever heard in an earpiece, but it's definitely above middle. So if on a scale of 1 to 10 for the bass, 1 being very poor, 10 being extremely good, I would say it's probably a 6.5 on that for bass. The future is here. The future is now. Welcome back, my friends, to the new generation. So today we're unboxing and showing you guys the true wireless open earphones. Charging time is 1.5 hours. It can play 6 hours. With the charging case, it can play 18 hours. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you're getting. Nice little carrying pouch. Nice manual inside here. This is the little housing unit for the earpieces. And you got your charging cable. It is a Type-C, so you know it is a newer upgraded device. Let's just check, nothing else inside there. Alright, so this is it. Pop it open. Once you open it up, it acknowledges that you open this up and it's already wanting to pair. Close the lid. It charges the devices back up, and once they're charged, it will turn off. See, as you guys can see, it's red when we open it because it's charging. Powered by USB. So the USB charges the case and the case charges the earpieces. Very simple, my friends. Plug this into any USB port, computer, laptop, any port that you got with a USB. We won't be able to go over every single feature, but make sure you check out your manual to see all the features. You got phone call, music play, volume, voice, wake up, reset, quick start guide on here, as well as a whole bunch of other features and things that you guys can do with this. So let's go ahead and take it out. So they're easy to take out. This is what it looks like up close. So it's blinking because it's trying to pair, and it is marked with an L or R for left ear or right ear. And when you're done, you just simply place it right back inside. Make sure it's in, and it will start automatically charging on its own. Now, connecting this is a super duper easy breeze. All you have to do is enable Bluetooth on whatever device you're using, your tablet, your phone, your MP3 player. Turn on the Bluetooth and then go under your Bluetooth settings. So we're going to go under our Bluetooth, and once we go under our Bluetooth and have our settings up, we're then going to go and open this up. So depending on your phone, you're going to want to do pair new device. Now make sure you pull these out before you pair a new device. So you pull them out and it's going to be ready for pairing. And we're going to go ahead and see right here, we can see it. We're just going to tap that. And it might give us a prompt. So yes, we're going to allow it for contacts. All right, it's connected, and it even says the battery life on our phone. So now that it's connected, we can go ahead and place them in our ear. So there is multiple ways you can put them around your ear. This is the speaker, so you can align it however you want. All right, my friends, so this is how I like wearing mine. It's very simple, comfortable. You know, I can shake my head. They're not going anywhere. They're not falling out. I mean, just my hair goes everywhere. But yeah, you know, I like them. And I'm going to actually go for a walk. I'm going to test them out. It's raining outside right now. So I'm not going to take my camera outside, but gonna go for a walk and I'll let you guys know how the quality and everything sound. The Treb is close to a 10, podcast close to a 10. I did not lose any connection. I sprinted for a little bit and they did not move any position. So overall, I think these are really good. Currently right now, the earpieces I use are the ones that just stick directly right in your ear. I'm actually going to be getting rid of those and using these. Because this did not budge. It doesn't hurt your ear after a long walk. Overall, these are really nice and they just are more comfortable. They stay in position better and more reliable than the earpieces that you just, you guys know what I'm talking about. The ones that you just stick in your ear. These are definitely much better and I am definitely going to be using these instead of our other ones. So that's my personal preference on this. I do like them a lot. Now for the other features, for phone calls and that stuff, I never use that feature with any of my devices. It's just something I personally just don't do. But for those, make sure you check out your manual and I don't see why you guys would have a problem. Bluetooth didn't drop at all. No issues whatsoever. The sound's good. So I don't think you're going to have an issue.